Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, Peter, and hello to all our wonderful listeners.
It's great to be here again, Lily. How are you doing today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. I had a relaxing weekend and I'm feeling fresh. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I actually spent some time looking at my monthly expenses.
Oh, really? That sounds serious. Are you trying to save some money?
Yes, exactly. I've been spending a bit too much recently, so I thought maybe it's time to make a budget.
That's a smart move. And it's funny you said that because today's topic is money. How to save it, how to use it wisely, and how to make a simple budget.
Perfect. That's exactly what I need. So, where should we start?
Let's start with the basics. When we talk about money, there are two important words: needs and wants.
Ah, yes, I've heard those before, but I think a lot of people still mix them up.
You're right. A need is something you must have to live, like food, water, a place to live, and clothes.
So, things that are essential.
Exactly. A want, on the other hand, is something you'd like to have, but you can live without it.
So, a need is like rice and vegetables for dinner, but a want might be eating at a fancy restaurant.
That's a perfect example. Both give you food, but one is necessary and the other is extra.
I see. And when people don't know the difference, they often spend money on wants and forget to save.
Yes, that happens to everyone. It's so easy to buy something small every day and then wonder, where did all my money go?
Oh, that's me. I always buy coffee on the way to work. It's only $3, but after a month, it's almost $100.
Exactly. Those small things add up. And that's why making a budget can really help.
Right. So, what exactly is a budget?
A budget is just a plan for your money. It helps you see how much money comes in and how much goes out.
Like tracking your income and expenses?
Yes, exactly. It's like making a map for your money.
I like that idea. A map for my money. So, how can I make one?
You don't need anything fancy. Just take a notebook or use a simple app on your phone. On one side, write money in. This is your salary or income. On the other side, write money out. That's everything you spend.
That sounds easy enough. So, for example, under money in, I write my salary, say $1,000 a month.
Right. And under money out, you write everything you spend: rent, food, transport, coffee, entertainment, everything.
Everything? Even small things, like a snack?
Yes, everything. Even a candy bar or a drink. Those small things can make a big difference.
Okay, that's interesting. I think I'd be surprised to see where my money really goes.
Most people are, but once you know, you can make changes more easily.
So, after writing down everything, what should I do next?
Then you can group your spending into categories, like needs and wants.
Ah, so I can see how much I spend on things I actually need and how much on things I just want.
Exactly. That's the key.
And you'll probably notice that you spend more on wants than you think.
I'm already afraid to find out.
Don't worry. It's not about feeling bad. It's about understanding your habits. Once you know where your money goes, you can plan better.
That makes sense. It's like being the manager of my own money.
Exactly. You are the boss of your money, not the other way around.
I like that. So once I know my needs and wants, and I make my budget, how do I start saving?
There are many easy ways. The first step is to look at your wants list and see where you can spend less.
So, for example, I could stop buying coffee every day and make it at home instead.
Perfect! That's a great example. Making coffee at home can save you a lot over time.
I could also cook at home more often. Eating out is so expensive these days.
Yes, cooking at home is one of the best ways to save money. It's healthier, too.
True, but sometimes I get lazy.
We all do. That's why it helps to plan your meals. You can cook extra dinner and take the leftovers for lunch the next day.
Ah, that's smart. Cook once, eat twice.
Exactly. Small changes like that make a big difference over time.
This is great advice. What else can we do to save money easily?
Another simple trick is to make a shopping list before you go to the supermarket.
Why is that so important?
Because when you have a list, you focus on what you really need, not what looks good in the store.
Ah, yes, that happens to me all the time. I go in to buy milk, and I come out with snacks, ice cream, and chips.
Exactly. A shopping list keeps you on track. Buy what you need, nothing more.
That makes sense. It's like a budget for my groceries.
Yes, you're getting the idea.
So, in short, I should plan my money, plan my shopping, and plan my meals.
You got it. Planning is the secret to saving.
You know, this makes saving money sound easy, not scary.
It is easy if you take small steps. You don't need to save a lot all at once. Even a few dollars a day adds up.
That's true. A little every day becomes a lot later.
Exactly. And in the next part, we'll talk about how to set saving goals, like saving for something special or planning for the future.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait.
Great! So, everyone, stay tuned for part 2. We'll continue our conversation about money, saving, and easy English phrases you can use when talking about your finances.
Yes, don't go anywhere. And remember, learning English is easier when you practice real conversations like this one.
That's right. See you in the next part.
See you soon. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our money talk. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. In part 1, we talked about needs and wants, making a simple budget, and easy ways to save, like cooking at home and using a shopping list.
Right. Today, we'll go deeper. We'll talk about saving goals, simple budgeting methods, and how to stay motivated.
Perfect. Let's start with a saving goal. Peter, do you have one?
I do. I want to buy a new bicycle. My old one is very, very old.
That's a great goal. A saving goal is something you want to achieve in the future. It gives you a reason to save.
It helps me say no to small stuff now, so I can say yes to the big dream later.
Exactly. To make your goals stronger, write it down. Add a number and a date.
Okay. For example, I want to save $400 for a bicycle by June 30.
Perfect. That sentence has a clear target and a deadline. Now, break it into smaller steps.
Like saving $100 per month for 4 months?
Yes, smaller steps feel easier. You can also put a picture of the bicycle on your wall or as your phone wallpaper.
Visual motivation. I like it.
Now, let's talk about simple budgeting methods. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule.
Oh, yes, I've heard of that. But can you explain it simply?
Sure. If you have $1,000 each month, 50%, $500 for needs: rent, food, transportation, utilities. 30%, $300 for wants: eating out, entertainment, hobbies. 20%, $200 for savings or paying debt.
That's easy to remember. It helps me see a balance.
Right, and you can adjust the numbers if needed. If your rent is high, maybe 60, 25, 15. The idea is to be intentional.
What if I want something more hands-on?
Then try the envelope method. It's very simple.
How does it work?
You prepare envelopes or digital categories in an app: food, transport, fun, savings, and so on. Put a set amount of money into each envelope at the start of the month.
So when the fun envelope is empty, I stop spending on fun?
Yes, it's a clear signal. It teaches you to plan and not overspend. You can do it with real cash or with separate notes in a budgeting app.
Nice. I think it would help me, especially with snacks and coffee.
Many people say the same. Another tip: pay yourself first.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
When you get your salary, move money to your savings first, before you pay for wants. You can set an automatic transfer to a savings account.
So I don't even see that money in my regular account?
Exactly. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Automation makes saving easier.
What about an emergency fund? I hear this phrase a lot.
An emergency fund is money for unexpected problems, like a medical bill or a broken phone. Try to save at least 1 month of basic living costs to start and grow it over time.
So if my basic costs are $500 a month, I should aim for $500 first, then more?
Yes, step by step. Even $10 or $20 a week will add up.
I like the phrase, small steps, big results.
Me too. Now, let's talk about debt, because many learners ask about it.
Debt can be stressful. What are simple strategies?
2 popular ones: the snowball and the avalanche methods. Snowball: pay off your smallest debt first, then the next, and so on. It builds motivation fast. Avalanche: pay off the debt with the highest interest first. It saves more money over time.
So, snowball is about quick wins. Avalanche is about saving on interest.
Exactly. Choose the one that fits your personality. The best method is the one you'll actually follow.
Great. What about daily habits? Any more easy ideas?
Plenty. Here are a few. Plan your week. Decide meals, transport, and activities. Use a shopping list. Stick to it. Compare prices, online or at different stores. Cancel unused subscriptions, apps or services you don't use. Bring a water bottle and snacks. Saves money on small purchases. Library and free events. Great for entertainment without spending.
Great idea. I'll start. Understand needs versus wants. Needs are essential. Wants are optional.
Make a simple budget. Money in versus money out. Track everything, even small items.
Choose a method. 50, 30, 20, or envelopes. Adjust to your life.
Pay yourself first with automatic transfers to savings.
Build an emergency fund step by step.
If you have debt, pick snowball, smallest first, or avalanche, highest interest first.
Use daily habits, shopping list, meal plan, no spend day, 24-hour rule.
Stay motivated. Visual tracker, accountability buddy, planned rewards.
That's a strong checklist, very clear and doable.
Yes. Remember, saving money is not about being perfect. It's about taking small, smart steps, again and again.
And those steps become habits. Habits shape our future.
Exactly. Before we finish, Peter, what will you do this week?
I'll set up an automatic transfer, $50 each week, to my bicycle fund. I'll also try a no-spend Sunday.
Amazing! I'll review my subscriptions and cancel anything I don't use. And I'll plan my meals for the week.
Great plan, Lily. To our listeners, what will you do this week? Choose one action and start today.
Tell us in the comments your saving goal, your method, and your first step. Writing it down is powerful.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Your support helps us make more episodes like this. Thank you for listening.
We believe you can do this. Small steps, big results.
Until next time, keep learning, keep saving, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.